Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to write copyright symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to write copyright symbol, select a cell. Then go to the insert menu. Select the symbol option. Now we can see here many symbol here. Now I want to insert the copyright symbol. We can see here the copyright sign or symbol. Now I am select this, click insert. We can see here another symbol. Many now you want to add any symbol, select this and click insert. Now we can see we insert the copyright symbol or write this symbol easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.